Hey, I'm Maddie. I'm a private chef and online creator. Welcome to my apartment in Vinegar Hill, Brooklyn. Come on in. So working as a private chef, I'm constantly looking for different ways to get inspired. And because I create so much content here, my apartment and what it looks like visually is so important. When my fiance and I first saw the apartment, what appealed to us most was the big open floor plan, the exposed brick, and of course the big windows that let in so much natural light, which is really nice and works well for filming and content. I absolutely love my pops of red throughout, so we have this fun kind of toga-style chair, flowers on the table, and of course my favorite throw. So if you can't already tell, we absolutely love lots of natural plants and greenery around here. And you know, the greenery is just one of the many ingredients that contributes to the success of the overall recipe of this apartment. So as a chef and someone who loves to entertain, the dining table is one of the most important pieces in this apartment. It's 100% wood, the quality is just fantastic. And then of course I love the mixing and matching of elements. So these are more contemporary chairs. We have the metal, the leather, and I think it's a really nice counter to one, the wood, and two, this being an antique piece and these being new. The bar shelf doesn't only have bottles, there's glasses, flower vases, even recipe books. I think it makes for a fun conversation starter and it looks really great too. So right off the living room is the bedroom. I love that the double doors that lean into them can be kept open to really create an even bigger space. Of course, we had to bring some plants, some greenery into here, and we have the biggest plant, the biggest tree of the whole apartment, our beloved ficus. The dresser I sourced from a secondhand furniture warehouse. Even if we don't have the bedside table set, we have the bedside lamp set. I love the stone. They're slightly different, which I think is fun, that it's not the same thing on either side. It's just so cozy and serene in here. All right, who's hungry? Let's go check out the kitchen. I'm gonna make a snack. This is the kitchen, arguably the most important room in the apartment. It's where I film most of my content. I literally film everything on my iPhone. Then I kind of get to work. I'll pull my cutting board out, whatever I'm working with. I have a concept for an octopus carpaccio. I'm gonna start with chopping up this shallot and we're gonna pickle it, a quick pickle. I did take it upon myself to replace the sink. It's one of my favorite decisions that I've made for the apartment. I think it looks fantastic. I love the stone counters and I love how there's kind of a little shelf that frames the counter. So one of the things I love most about cooking is the creativity. I truly never get bored because I'm not making the same menu every day. And I'm constantly having to push myself beyond what I'm comfortable with to make new dishes. It's now time to plate. This is where I have the most fun and feel the most creative because you're literally designing a plate for someone. We're gonna dress it with the pickled shallots with a really buttery olive oil and then some like peppery, almost spicy microgreens. And with that, our dish is complete. Just flavor explosion in the mouth. Well, that's my apartment. I hope you enjoyed seeing how I live and work and designed my home. I'm gonna go ahead and try what we made here. Definitely client ready.
Before you go, let us know if you enjoyed this video. Drop a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive tours.